Hey everyone, it's Mark here. Today we're diving into some incredible ways you can make money online using AI. We've all heard about how AI is the future, but what you might not know is that the future is already here. People just like you are using AI tools and strategies to generate passive income, build online businesses, and even predict the stock market with crazy accuracy. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about freelancing. You might not think of yourself as a tech wizard, but if you know how to use AI tools, you've got valuable skills. Businesses everywhere are looking for people who can help them implement AI solutions. Think about it. Businesses need to analyze data, automate tasks, even create content. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, offering your services for things like setting up AI customer service chatbots or even training AI models for specific tasks. The best part is you can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. The demand for AI expertise is only going up, so if you're looking for a flexible and lucrative side hustle, this could be it. Next, we've got AI content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI writing content, is that really any good? Trust me, the tech has come a long way. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you create high-quality articles, social media posts, even video scripts in a fraction of the time it would take you to write them manually. We're talking about generating tons of engaging content, all while you focus on other things, like coming up with your next million-dollar idea. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, AI content creation tools can help you scale your content output and reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk about something a little more high-stakes AI-driven stock trading. This is next-level stuff, people. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict market trends with an accuracy that can be pretty mind-blowing. Platforms like TrendSpider and Kahoot are making this technology accessible to everyone, not just Wall Street hotshots. You can set up your own parameters, manage your risk, and let the AI do its thing. But remember, it's not magic, and the stock market always has risks. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Let's move on to the world of e-commerce. AI is changing the game here too. Imagine having an online store that's personalized for each and every customer, from product recommendations to targeted ads. That's the power of AI. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer built-in AI features or integrations that can help you optimize your store, understand your customers better, and ultimately increase your sales. AI can also help you with inventory management, fraud detection, and even customer service. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes 24/7. Last but not least, let's talk about AI app development. This one's for all you creative thinkers and problem solvers out there. If you have an idea for an app that leverages AI to solve a specific problem or enhance user experiences, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Think about apps that can translate languages in real time, provide personalized fitness or nutrition plans, or even write music. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Google's AI projects and Microsoft Azure AI make it easier than ever to get started with AI app development, even if you don't have a ton of coding experience. So, there you have it, 5 genius ways to make money using AI online. From freelancing to app development, there's an opportunity for everyone to tap into the power of AI. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and lucrative ways to use it to make money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.